Hi. So 1Ghana lets you socialize, get real-time and weekly weather forecasts for all the cities and towns in Ghana. Keep up to date with the latest news and gossips. Tune in and listen to live radio and get access to some local themed video games and educate yourself on the state affairs and tour interesting places in Ghana via Google Maps. All right, so I'm gonna talk about each tab, okay, or each category within the app. The first one, I'll talk about the social feature. So when you swipe to the right side, you see the social feature powered by Scringo. So the first tab is the activity. So when you click here, you can see all the activities being undertaken by users within the app. So Nana is viewing the weather forecast. I open map and places. I read some news. I tune into some stations to listen to some music. And the next one is messages. So over here, you get access to messages. Currently, it's blank. There's no messages in there. And there's a chat room. You can go there. And the first topic over there is Aquaba. In Ghana, Aquaba means welcome. And when you click over there, you can share your views. You can, post whatever you have on your mind there. And the other tabs, I'm not going to talk about all the tabs, okay? So there's a feed. The interesting one I'll talk about the radar. Now, this is how the radar works. When you tap the radar, you can find nearby users, okay? So you can find other people using the app, other people using 1Ghana. So currently, so when you launch the app and there are people around you using the app, you find them on the map. It's a radar. You just find people and then connect with them. I think I'm done with the social feature. The first one is the weather forecast. Okay, so this one provides real-time and weekly weather forecast for your current location and all the cities and towns in Ghana. So over you can see Accra, the Sekendi, Takrade, Cape Coast, Teshi, the Tema Metropolis, Koforidua, Wahoo, Nungwa, all the towns and cities in Ghana. So when you scroll down, you see them. Now when you tap on any of them, you can get a detailed weather forecast for that particular city or that particular town. So Accra, the forecast for today's fair is 28 degrees Celsius, and there are a lot of information there. You know what I mean? The condition, the temperature, the wind. So isolated thunderstorms, the highest temperature, lowest temperature, and then you get a forecast for the entire week. So it's not just forecast for a single day, it's for the entire week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and cool. So when you get the app, when you download the app, you can try it out. It's really cool. Now over here, when I click view, when I touch viewer, you can get a detailed weather forecast for all the cities and towns in Ghana. So besides the cities and towns in Ghana, you can actually search for the weather forecast for any particular for any city or town in the world. So let me just type New York. So in case you have relatives or something there, you just search. All right, so we have New York, United States. The forecast is fair. So you see the temperature is way different from Ghana's temperature. Now it's 17 degrees Celsius, and Ghana's was around 20 something, getting 30 degrees Celsius. It's hot in here. All right, so let me talk about the other tab, the trending. So this one basically fetches news. It presents news from the the top news agencies in Ghana, MyJoyOnline, Ghana Web. So they provide their RSS feeds. All you have to do is to attribute them and then make sure you link to their site, and you don't change the news, you don't alter the news. So that's exactly what I've done here. So when you click local, when you touch local, we have the various topics or the various headings over here. So you tap and then it goes to their sites. Okay, I'll do that now. When you get the app, you can try that. Now the entertainment, we have the radio, and we have some cool games over here too. So let me just touch the radio. Now this one is African radio. Okay, so besides Ghana, you can listen to stations in other countries. Or it's kind of initializing the data, fetching the stations. So over here you can search for a particular track, okay, a particular music being played by, particular song being played by a station. So let's say your favorite song is Akaida. You just go there and then you type Akaida in there. It will list all the stations currently playing that song, Akaida. And then if your favorite artist is Shatawale, you just come here and then you enter Shatawale and then you search for Shatawale. What will happen? It will list all the stations currently playing music by Shatawale. So let me just go ahead and play one station. So let me go to Ghana and any station out. So it's currently 2 a.m. over here. So let me just make sure I'm playing station. It's live playing some music. So let me just. It's gonna buffer. Alright, so here we have this is Akan dialect, okay. So I kind of preaching, minister preaching, and I'm blessing you up, okay. So the next one, the other tabs, map. So over here you launch the map and then you find interesting places in your vicinity. So when you launch the map, it will list the top 20 places, okay. So it will try fetching the places. Now if you want a particular place of interest, you just tap and then you look. So there's a restaurant, there are tons of places you can search for: ATM, bank, bar, beauty salon. There are lots actually. So you know what I mean, okay. The education parts, okay. So over here you keep abreast of the current affairs of the state. There's the ministers, okay, minister of state. There's the there's even a constitution of Ghana, okay. So you can just go there and then you know your right. And I kind of made it in the form of PDF, okay, so you can search and then track easily. All right, so basically that's it.